Alright guys, so I found something on Scratch. Alright, so it's called Save Nature, it's a platformer. Hey, alright, so this is classic Scratch platformer music. Yes, I did it guys, alright, let's see what can I jump from them? You cannot jump on the stone bar. Alright, let's go guys. Whoa. Alright, get up here and go. Alright, let's go. So it looks like we can jump on these. Alright. Is it dominoes or something else? But I'm pretty sure it's something else, guys. Let's go. Oh, gosh. Alright, I did it. Definitely getting it. You telling me? Okay, that was cool. Alright guys, not a few, even this. Okay, by the way, if you don't know what we are exactly searching for, then let me tell you, we are searching for a golden statue of the nature god, which has a gem in it. The gem will help us in saving the nature. Alright, that seems pretty cool, guys.
And I'll say goodbye.
Alright, so I'm doing a bunch of games in one video. This is fun, guys. But surely we have to be getting to the end. I'll have to say goodbye soon. Alright, let's go. Yes, okay. Alright, we're doing it. And yes, please no. Alright guys, let's go, yes. We're doing it. What the heck is that? It's the gem. Want to go back up? Alright. Oh, I can't touch it.
Alright guys, that is one more round. And today is the day that
I can't
over.
touch them. That
Alright,
sucks.
see ya.
Also, guys,
And have
a thing
great
about
day,
me,
all
my
great
favorite.
furry viewers.
Okay, they're not all necessarily furries. Level 20, Part 3 will be released on 2nd February. Alright, guys, this is the end of the video. See ya next time. Bye!